Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be sharing my Sunday refresh routine with you all. This is a newer routine for me, but I actually really enjoyed it and have been trying to use it as much as I can. I'm going to start off this morning by turning on my air purifier like I do every other morning. It's actually helped us a lot, so I make sure that it's on as soon as we come out to the living room. I'm going to pass by this hot mess express of a kitchen and make myself a coffee so that I can enjoy it while we start planning for the day. I picked up this creamer at Target not too long ago, and it's pretty good. I would probably never buy it again, but it was a nice simple creamer. Makes it easier instead of pulling out my syrups to just quickly warm it up. Start off the routine by creating a to-do list. On the left side, I have a running list of things that I want to get done on Sundays. I used to use Sundays as a cleanup day, and now I'm trying to use Sundays as a prep day for the rest of the week. I'm hoping that by getting everything ready on Sunday, I'm not scrambling in the mornings, I'm not running out and just buying coffee instead of making it, and I'm not spending money on buying lunch and snacks throughout the day. Being that this routine not only helps save money, but it also helps me save time that can be better spent with my family. Okay, now I'm gonna take a look at my meal plan that I just showed you guys, and I'm going to write down whatever I know I don't have from my meal plan onto my grocery list. My grocery list is on the back part of my to-do list, and that is so I can take my to-do list with me every day, everywhere I go today. I'm going to split up my list into two parts, Target and the market. Those are the two stores I'm going to. I want to pop into either a Home Goods or a Marshall's because I need a couple of containers to put some things away. Okay, baby, let me change the TV. Okay, as I was saying, I'm going to split my grocery list into Target and the market. And then once I'm done writing down what I know I don't have, I'm going to grab my clipboard. I'll grab my clipboard and then just go through my pantry, my refrigerator, the restrooms, and my laundry area and write down anything that it is that I need for the week. Also, I forgot to mention earlier, I did show this. It's my running list. These are things that when I put it on the refrigerator, and it's for anybody to fill out. So for example, if my husband thinks of something that he ran out of and he knows he needs it, so he's gonna put it on here. He'll go through and he'll just write it down. For example, my older son ate the last banana, so he wrote down bananas because he knew I was going to the market today. So between this list and this meal plan sheets, I'm gonna go through and write my list real quick, and then I'll film me going through my pantry. I also wanted to share the information for my awesome sweater that I'm wearing. I purchased it off of Instagram from Dyes and Thrifts by Yaya. I will link her information down below, but she has some really cool sweatshirts, t-shirts. She has some totes on there, and my understanding is she's gonna start bringing out her holiday collection, so check her out. I could feel this way. We're now back from the market. It took me about 2 hours to do the market and Target, so I had bedding to wash. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that before we put all of the groceries away and clean out the refrigerator. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I
don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.
Except these silicone cupcake cups from Amazon and also the bento boxes. I'll link them down below, but I'm gonna start packing them every morning for us to have snacks for throughout the day for the kids and my husband and myself.
Thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones that healing, they're all there because of you. It's my fault.
I've been loving this pumpkin spice latte chai from Starbucks. It's pretty easy to make. You just add your either water or milk to the concentrate, and it makes a really good iced pumpkin chai latte. The hubby even likes it, and he doesn't like pumpkin or chai, so I don't know.
I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
Aside from prepping all of the veggies and everything I will be using for snacks and the bento boxes in the morning, I also want to take this time to clean out my son's backpack and make sure he has everything he needs for the week. He doesn't use his backpack at daycare, but I do take it with me every morning just in case I need to make any stops after work, or I take him to the indoor playground. I will not have to worry about packing it in the morning. It's one less thing to do. I might here and there have to throw in a diaper. My son isn't potty trained. He still wears pull-ups, but that's easier than having to make sure the entire backpack has everything it needs.
I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I cleaned the refrigerator and stocked it off camera. All of the bins at the bottom have all the fruits and veggies that we'll be using for snacks in our bento boxes. I made sure that everything that we need for the week is stocked. That includes breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. I don't have to go to the store after work. I don't have to worry about if I'm missing anything. I have absolutely everything I need for all of our meals from Sunday to the following weekend.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do.
This Sunday in particular was it was pretty gloomy outside. It was giving me fall vibes. So we decided to have soup for dinner. So we're having a tomato basil soup and grilled cheese. So I'm going to share my recipe with you all today. And I hope if you try it out, you'll let me know if you like it.
With you and I, the future is bright.
I'll link what I used for the soup down below. I'll try to do my best with measurements, but as most of you know, it's kind of hard to measure things out. I typically just, I don't know, kind of eyeball it depending on my family size.
I can weather any storm.
So I make a mess here. I put too much liquid into the blender and it was hot, so it splatters when I turn it on, but it's okay. We'll clean it up later.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest.
So after dinner, I'm already really tired from everything I got done, but I also decided that it would be a good idea to start getting my son's outfits ready. I'm going to put them together and add a pull-up to each of them and make sure he has a sweater, whatever he's wearing, and socks, everything he needs, and then just put it together in this little bin that I got at the Dollar Tree. It says Adrian's clothes on it just so that we know, my husband knows where his clothes is if I'm not here. But I'm going to go ahead and get the outfits together and just finish up the rest of the night.
All the blue skies fade to gray. We're gonna be okay.
So now that almost everything is ready, I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick cleanup of the living room and just make sure everything's nice and clean to start tomorrow morning off right. My son is in the bath right now. My husband started doing bedtime routines so that I can get the rest of the house put together, take out backpacks, sweaters, everything that's needed to just get ready out the door in the morning. I'm even going to leave the things I'm going to use for the snacks out, except for the food. So the bento boxes will be out. My husband's flask will be out for coffee in the morning. I feel that if I continue with this routine, I guess future me will thank me later. Even though I'm tired and I'm ready to just go to bed, I think I will feel better about it when I wake up in the morning and everything is just ready to go.
If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down.
Okay friends, it's getting to the end of the video and also the end of the night here. I'm gonna go through and just finish cleaning up and lay everything out for us in the living room so it's easy to grab and go. I've been doing this routine now for about 2 weeks and it's helped me so much throughout the week. So I hope that something I did might have inspired you to make a change in your routine. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Until the next time.
What I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.